Old LED drawer systems required external power, complex wiring, and drilling difficult to install and far from elegant. With motion sensing technology, the light turns on and off automatically. Soft, flicker-free illumination adds a refined touch to every drawer. Its standard battery compartment allows easy replacement and long-lasting power. No need to remove the slides or wiring. No cables, no complexity, no glare, just pure convenience and comfort. Temax LED Drawer System. Smart details, elevated living.